Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to use PicsArt in a very simple way. If you are new to editing and don't know where to start, don't worry because PicsArt is actually very beginner friendly. So let's go step by step and understand its basic features. First, unlock your phone and open the PicsArt app. Once the app opens, you'll see an option to add image or video on the main screen. This is the starting point where your editing journey begins, so just tap on the image option to move forward. Now tap on the Add Photo option in PicsArt. This will open your phone gallery where all your photos are stored. From here you can choose any picture or video you want to edit. So simply select the file you want to work on. After importing your image, go to the bottom left side Tools section. Here you'll find different editing tools like crop, adjust, and more. These tools help you control your image exactly the way you want. So this is where real editing starts. Now select the crop tool from the options. With this tool, you can cut or adjust your image size easily. Just drag and set the frame according to your need. After that, apply the changes from the top right corner. Next, tap on the text option if you want to add writing. Type whatever you want on your image like captions or titles. You can also change font style, color, and size easily. Once done, tap the tick mark to apply it. After completing your edits, go to the top right corner. Here you can apply all changes or directly save your image. PicsArt also lets you explore more effects if you want extra editing. So finally, your edited image is ready to use or share. So, guys, this is how you can easily use PicsArt for basic editing. Once you practice, you'll get much better at creating professional-looking edits. Subscribe for more tutorials and comment what app you want next.